to show you how to put on your rain cover on the seat of your Qool stroller. So first what you want to do is make sure your seat is all the way up, sitting up, and you want to put back your canopy. Then if you look at your rain cover, you'll see you have some Velcro openings on the sides, and then you have this hole at the top. This is where your recline mechanism is going to go, so that'll help you place it right. So you just put it over the top, slide it down, and your mechanism will be going through that hole there. Then we turn. Then you'll see that there's some elastic down here in the bottom, and you'll just pull that down around the bottom. Then you're going to take these Velcro parts, pull it down, and attach it right in the back here. Then we'll do the other side. Make sure they're down there. There you go. Once you have all those attached, you'll see here you have a lot of room that's still kind of sticking out, so it's not going to be on the child, but around the child. There are ventilation holes all in here. You can't see them very well because it's clear, but there's lots of ventilation, and that's how you put on your rain cover on your seat.